Hi, in this video, you'll learn how to download, install, and activate Norton Utilities Ultimate. If you've subscribed to Norton Utilities Ultimate or received it with your Norton subscription, open a browser and visit my.norton.com. Click Sign In. Enter a valid email address. You can sign in with a one-time code sent to this email address, or use your account password if this email address is linked to your Norton account. You can also sign in with your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account. After you enter your password, click Sign In. Hover over your account icon in the top right corner and select My Subscriptions. On the My Subscriptions page, next to Norton Utilities Ultimate, click Download. Click and read the License and Services Agreement, then click Agree and Download. Open the downloaded exe file. The installation setup will begin. On the welcome screen, click and read the End User License Agreement and Privacy Policy, then click Install. After installation, your Norton Utilities Ultimate subscription is automatically activated in the background. To check the activation status, go to Settings and select the My Subscription tab. That's it! You've successfully downloaded, installed, and activated Norton Utilities Ultimate. You can now start using its features. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.norton.com.